are you looking at me? So, you're coming to high school next year, huh? That scares me. I've got to be honest. But luckily, I've got a few years of experience, so I understand what freshman people are like. Pretty much crazy, most of you, but that's okay. So anyways, my name is Mr. Hughes. I teach science, and I'm not sure what else I'll be teaching next year, but in my classes, we typically have a little bit of fun. You might get to use some lab equipment, such as, follow me. Every science room must have safety glasses. It's one of the best and most useful pieces of equipment in a science laboratory room. And therefore, we wear them all the time. You can come over here. And look at crazy stuff like this dogfish head. Take notes. Cornell notes, because I know you guys like those. Interact, work with groups, talk to your neighbors. Oh yeah, and there's this thing. It's related to school. Yes, I want you guys to think, okay? That's one of my biggest things. I want you guys to think and learn how to think on your own, because in life, that's really all you've got is you, and you've got to think on your own. So come on in, enjoy my classes. I look forward to seeing you guys.
Hi guys, I'm Mrs. Volker over here, or also Mrs. B as a lot of people call me. This little lady over here, we use her to learn about the bones and stuff in some of the classes that I teach, like anatomy and physiology. So I'm one of the two science teachers here at the high school, and I teach things such as health, right? You will be taking that as a freshman, where we learn about things like mental health, nutrition, and some people's favorite or least favorite, sex. So we also learn about things like chemistry, biology. This doesn't have to be a freshman class, but you might be taking this next year, and also physics. So physics and anatomy are typically classes you take as a junior or senior. And chemistry, these guys are both physical sciences. If you're interested in medicine at all, this would be an awesome one to take. We learn about bones. This poor little arm got damaged, so that's a reason why we learn about safety procedures and how to treat lab equipment in the classroom. So I have been at Modoc High School, we're moving this way, for about 5 years. So next year will be my 6th year. Some of the cool things that we get to do in class is learn with fire, hence we don't play with fire, and lots of cool things like that. But we always want to wear our safety goggles. So I'll take these guys off from here. This is one of my all-time favorite labs that we get to do. This is just a quick little demo. This guy right here is called a Bunsen burner. And if you choose to take chemistry, we will learn how to use this. So sometimes when we excite electrons, which also like burning certain salt compounds, we get to see these cool colors in the fire. If I can get it to stick to the wire. Hold on. Ouch. Don't touch things that are hot. So a few things that we get to learn about, right? If you ever wondered why fireworks have different cool colors, it's chemistry at work. So if I put this little bluish green salt in the flame, woo, we get greenish blue fire, which is super fun. Let's look at that one more time. Woo. Hey, who knew science was so fun? And we get to tell lots of cool jokes in here, but only periodically. Get it, like periodic table. I like to tell those, but usually there's only a reaction occasionally from the students. I hope to see you next year. Bye now.